We're about to see the C8 against the Tesla Model S Plaid. Let's see how this goes. I know I'm gonna get dusted. Oh my! Oh, I don't think I can ever get rid of this car, man. I'm not, bro. Newsflash, I'm not gonna be getting a Plaid. I might have a Plaid and a C8 instead of getting a truck, the way I was going to. But let's see. So the title of this video is gonna be Tesla Model S Plaid versus a 2025 Corvette C8. And this is absolutely stock. This is Z51 package, stock AF. I mean, nothing special. His is stock too, so it's not like, but this one's getting more attention. That looks like a regular Tesla. So let's see if we can do this without getting too much attention to us. Keep my windows up. It looks like a regular Tesla. I mean, it's wide bodied for sure, but if I can hook, alright, be it. Nah, it wouldn't even be a good race because he's got a 1.9 seconds 0 to 60. What am I? 2.9 on a good hook. I'm sub 3, but I'm 2.9. So I think my advantage would be on rolls, but 0 to 60, obviously, no brainer. He's got it. Yeah, I'm literally not hooking, and everyone's staring at my car. I'm not hooking. I'm telling you, bro, kids love this car. This car gets way more attention. I'm so sorry. The Plaid is sick for 50 and up. Like, you see it on camera. There's a police officer right there. I see you. Let's see. Bruh. What the bruh. He didn't even let me go. I was gonna, oh, maybe he thought that was it. I was gonna go on 3. Okay. Yeah, on 3. Nervous at that laugh.
Hey, no, that's fine. I will.
Oh, he's talking to someone. Okay. I'm gonna lose. I'm going to lose, and I'm accepting my fate, and I'm gonna lose with honor. Try to get some space. I'm gonna lose. Oh shit! Damn, bro. Yeah, he got it in the bag. I can't beat that. That is insane. Oh, I'm getting gapped by a Tesla Model S Plaid. No, it's fucking insane, bro. Oh my god. Nah, man. That's crazy. Crazy. Hey. Okay, alright, I didn't even go. That's insane. That's insane, bro. Oh, someone's honking at him. Someone's honking at him. Yeah, where'd he go? It's so fast, he's just gone. He's like all the way up there because of how fast he is. Let me see if I can catch him on the highway. Oh, look at this fucking idiot. Learn how to fucking drive, old ass. I gotta edit that shit out. Fucking dumbass. I mean, any chance of beating a Plaid is gonna be in top end speed. It's not possible. What the hell? Alright, this is where I gotta say goodbye. Yeah. He's gonna go in higher speeds. I can't. Not over there, because they always lurk over there. But thanks, Mario. Shout out to Mario. I appreciate him. Like, in order for me to even be anywhere competitive against the Model S Plaid, it's got to be 100 plus, and we're just not going to do that. Besides, I'm going to lose, so it's okay. We took the L. If you haven't watched the Tesla Model S Plaid video, I might put it before or after this, not sure. But make sure you go and drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment below your thoughts. And let me know what you would buy if you had 70,000 to spend. Not new is like 150, but because it has 20k miles on it and it's 4 years old, it's costing about $71,000. So, and this was 75 new. So let me know in the comments below what you would do and why you would do it. And I'm not getting rid of this car. It's just not happening. This car is not going anywhere. I love this car. It's my dream, one of my dream cars, I would say. I have a lot of dream cars. And I think a lot of car guys who love cars ever since they were little, like, will say the same. They have a lot of dream cars. But this was a car that I had, like, the Power Wheels. When I was 5 years old, I had the yellow Power Wheels Corvette. And honestly, I'm never gonna get rid of this car. So it's gonna be really hard until I find something that I would trade it for. As of right now, I think if I ever trade this car, it's gonna be for a C8 Z06. And, you know, it's just the best car ever. Looks wise, comfortability wise, everything. Oh my, like look how it sounds. You just missed that. There's just no way, bro. There's just no way. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure you drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment below your thoughts. And I'll see you guys in the next one.